Hello guys, welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, you will learn how to remove hotspot password on iPhone. A hotspot allows you to share your phone's internet connection with other devices. First things first, let's get started by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Personal Hotspot. Tap on that. In this section, you'll see various options related to your personal hotspot. Look for the Wi-Fi password option and give that a tap as well. Here you'll see your existing hotspot password displayed. To remove it, simply tap on the X button next to it. However, there's a catch. You cannot leave this field completely blank if you try to save. Without entering any characters, your changes won't go through. But don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Instead of leaving it blank, type in the same character multiple times, specifically 8 times to meet Apple's requirements for saving changes. For example, typing X 8 times will allow you to save successfully, while also making it simple for others to connect if needed after entering your new password of 8 identical characters. Simply tap Done at the top right corner of your screen, and just like that, you've effectively removed your previous hotspot password. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.